In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to get 4 players on your Nintendo Switch. If you find this tutorial useful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Getting 4 players on Nintendo Switch makes gaming more social and fun, perfect for competitive or cooperative play with friends and family. It's a great way to enhance party vibes and create shared memories. To set up 4 players on your Nintendo Switch, start by accessing the controller interface. Open your console and navigate to the main menu. From the bottom menu panel, locate and select the controller's option. This will take you to the controller settings page, where you can manage and connect your devices. On the controller settings page, click on Find Controllers. This feature allows you to check if your controllers are detected properly. Pay attention to whether all the buttons, including the red and blue ones, are appearing correctly on the screen. If everything seems fine, it's time to move to the next step. Now, go to the Change Grip Order menu. In this section, you need to connect your controllers. Take both the red and blue Joy-Con controllers, or any other compatible controllers you're using, and pair them with your Nintendo Switch. If you encounter any issues, there's also an option to select Pair New Controllers, which can help resolve connectivity problems. Follow the prompts on the screen for guidance. Once the controllers are paired, return to the Change Grip Order menu and press the L and R buttons on each controller to complete the setup. With all 4 controllers connected, you're ready to enjoy multiplayer games with 4 players on your Nintendo Switch. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.